Madeline, do you have the hiccups? Why don't you look over here? Oh, bless you.